Good morning everyone. Myself Pooja Sant. I am student of class 8 in Gurukul Global School. Today I am going to show you a magazine of my school related to the art integration program on the subject GK. So let's get started. This is the front cover of magazine. Here are some pictures of our school, Gurukul Global School. And here I have written from our director's desk, Dr. Vijay Syag, and this is the picture of our honorable director, Dr. Vijay Syag. So in this I have written that every child that walks through the portals of Gurukul Global School is nurtured and groomed in a manner that would turn him into a model citizen of tomorrow. We believe that every child is unique in his or her own special way, and it is up to us to recognize that and treat him or her differently and create the ambience and opportunities for him to grow into a complete individual. So here I have written from our principal's desk, and this is the picture of our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Kailash Rani. We live today in a world that is very different from the one we grew up in, the one we were educated in. The world today is changing at such an accelerated rate where we as educators need to pause and reflect on this entire system of education. Our school is well equipped to prepare our children to face the challenges that the future holds and work at implementing, as we believe, balanced curriculum to ensure that the children who walks in portals of Gurukul Global School will not just live the school years but truly be prepared to face the life's challenges. Now here I have shown about the importance of a teacher in our life, and this is the picture of our teachers. A teacher is the person who shapes the future of everyone by providing best education to his or her students. Teacher plays a great role in education of every student. A good teacher has many qualities and fully able to make his or her student successful life. Teacher is very important. It gives shapes to the students, and it teaches to draw attention of students towards study. And here I have shown about the students, and I have written some quotes about the student. If the student is the one who not only studies but who learns, who is always ready to explore the challenges. To become a successful student, one should focus on specific aspects of life. One of them is passion for lifelong learning. If a student perform and train himself in a disciplined manner, it will give him a new height of achievements and success in life. And here is the picture of the students of Gurukul Global School, Gurukulians. Here I have mentioned about the classroom, and this is the picture of our classroom. Our classroom is the best classroom, and my school has 12 classrooms from LKG to 10th. There are many facilities in classrooms including digital classes. Digital classes improves our learning and speaking. There is good ventilation in our classroom. My classroom have many tables and chairs to sit for teachers and students, and the classroom is best for learning. Now here I have shown some of the pictures of yoga in Gurukul Global School. As we all know, yoga is also important for a student to keep it healthy and fit. As we also know, yoga se hi hoga. Here I have shown the pictures of a tour to Ichhapurn Balaji that was took in Gurukul Global School. As we also know, tours are also important to refresh one student's mind. Here I have shown the competition pictures in Gurukul Global School. Every Saturday many activities took place, like poster making competition, GK quiz competitions, math quiz competition, etc. And here I have shown the Rangoli making competition in Gurukul Global School on occasion of Diwali. Here I have shown about the Janmashtami celebration 2023 in Gurukul Global School, and here is about the brain gym classes in Gurukul Global School because they are also important for a student to keep its mind sharp and free from stress. It includes rolling finger, head and rolling tummy, alternative fingers, hunting rabbits, barbecue rollers, namak halal, hammer and iron, 1551, run for ice cream, karate kids, round and square. And here it is about tree plantation. In Gurukul Global School, students plant many trees every year to keep the environment of school clean, green and fresh. And also by planting trees, students can learn about the life cycle of trees, the importance of biodiversity and interdependence of ecosystem. By engaging in planting tree activities, students can develop their mind towards the plants and trees and they can get knowledge that how we live, how plants are very important for one's life. So this is the end of our magazine and at last I would like to say only one line that Gurukul Global School is the best school for every children. Thank you everyone.